how's the markets do today? It's a question you've probably heard before, but what exactly does it mean? The way investors typically measure how the markets are performing is through something called an index. You may have heard of a few, like the TSX Composite in Canada, the Dow Jones Industrial Average, and the S&P 500 in the US. What's an index, you say? Let's back up. Sounds like it's time for another Your Investing Minute episode. Let's roll the intro. A stock index is a way to track the combined performance of a large group of stocks all at once. An index can have a narrow focus, like a specific industry, or it can be broad-based, tracking hundreds or even thousands of stocks from many industries. Take the S&P 500 I mentioned earlier. It tracks the performance of 500 large companies listed on American exchanges. Many fund managers use this index and others as benchmarks to determine whether their investments perform better or worse than the market average. Investment firms also create mutual funds and exchange-traded funds designed to mirror the performance of various indexes. It's a more passive approach to investing that's become popular. Check out our video lessons on investment funds to learn more about that. But for now, the next time you hear someone ask how the markets do today, you'll be able to chime in with that answer.